How to grow on YouTube. There are thousands of videos online about it, but how is it that Nate Wealth is gaining a lot of traction recently, despite being a new channel? Also, how did he gain close to around 40 subscribers in just 6 months and establish audience trust in a very short time? Initially, I thought it was luck, but after studying Nate Wealth's channel for some time, I figured out that he uses a 4-step formula in about 90% of his videos. The 4th step is particularly innovative, and without it, Nate Wealth wouldn't have experienced such rapid growth. Do you also want to make your YouTube channel a success like that? Watch the video until the end. Let's start with step 1, red-green thumbnails. If you watch Nate Wealth's YouTube channel, you'll notice that about 90% of his video thumbnails feature a high-contrast red and green color combination. But why? Do you think red and green are his favorite colors? Of course not. The reason behind this is to streamline decision-making for his audience. They'd become accustomed to red and green thumbnails. That means if you click on any of his thumbnails and enjoy the video, the next time you see a red and green thumbnail on your YouTube feed, your decision-making time will be reduced and you'll click on that video instantly. This cycle continues. You might wonder if you should also adopt this strategy for your channel. Absolutely not. By doing so, instead of increasing views, your views will drop. Red and green have become Nate Wealth's brand, so if you use the same strategy, people will recognize that you are copying him. What you should do is maintain consistency in the thumbnails of your channel. Decide on a color scheme and font for all your thumbnails. While the color isn't as crucial, the font should be consistent across all thumbnails. This allows viewers to easily identify your video by its thumbnail, reducing decision-making time. Look at Mr. Beast as an example of consistent thumbnails for all his videos. Another reason why Nate Wealth uses red is color psychology. I'll explain color psychology in another video as it will take a bit more time. For now, let's continue with this topic. Now let's move on from thumbnails. What if the audience leaves the video right at the beginning? Audience retention will decrease, right? This brings me to step 2, creating intros with a purpose. If you're a YouTuber, you probably already know that capturing the audience's attention in the first 30 seconds is crucial. While most YouTubers use fancy intros or start with, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel," Nate Wealth uses his intro seconds in a masterful way. In short, through intros, he plants a sense of need or an important question in his audience's mind. Then he guarantees that if they watch his video until the end, they will find the answer to that question. If you're still unclear, you can watch his video intro here.
Put together a comprehensive guide on creating the most clickable thumbnails in any niche. First, what even makes a good thumbnail? Well, from a very basic standpoint, a good thumbnail is one that gets people to click on your video. The effectiveness of a thumbnail in this light can be rough.
Okay, so you've hooked the audience with the intro. What about the rest? Here comes step 3, building the hype. To understand this step, you need to watch this video.
I'm a 17-year-old YouTuber with over 30,000 subscribers, and I monetized a fresh YouTube channel in only 30 days. Here's how you can do the same and start collecting ad revenue on your videos quickly.
Nate Wealth knew that his target audience consists mainly of struggling YouTubers looking to monetize their channels. He immediately delves into the monetization topic and showcases his revenue screenshots, ensuring that his viewers will stick around to learn how they can also make money like him. This is how he ensures that you watch until the end of the video. This trick is called the end reward or payoff. I also used a similar trick at the beginning. Furthermore, Nate Wealth often mentions in most of his videos that he's a 17-year-old professional YouTuber. This connects with people his age, making them believe they can achieve similar success. Older viewers also wonder why they can't achieve the same if a 17-year-old can. In both cases, he keeps his audience engaged until the end of his videos. Finally, we come to step 4, without which Nate Wealth wouldn't have experienced such growth: genuine content. Many channels and videos online teach how to grow on YouTube, but they often only mention increasing watch time, click-through rate, CTR, and audience retention without explaining how to do it. When Nate Wealth appeared, I was pleased to finally learn some valuable insights that would help my YouTube career. It's not just my opinion. I believe many people who watch his videos share the same sentiment. The content on his channel is unique, as he provides clear explanations about monetization, thumbnails, video editing, voiceovers, scripts, and many other topics that have been immensely helpful to new YouTubers. If he wanted, he could have created clickbait videos like how to get 4,000 watch hours in 1 week, but he didn't. Even if some videos have fewer views, he focused on building a community of viewers who trust him. At the end of the day, that's what truly matters.